here in this beautiful weather today. Traffic like crazy. We're gonna see if we can get one or two crappie to take home. If I end up taking it home, I might just let them go. I don't know yet. We'll see when we get there. Yeah. Well, we got work done today, and I didn't feel like working anymore, so I said I'm gonna go fishing. Down to Polecat. Caught a few there.
Yeah, they're not quite real good.
Yeah. Oh, you got one keeper right now? Oh, you got 5? Yeah. Yeah, that's the hard part, ain't it? Little.
Yeah, quite a few though.
Hey. Out here when it's about 20 something, man, this bridge will be full of people.
Especially on the weekends.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I missed an eyelid. I hate when that happens, man. You got a good knot on, everything tied up. Bang. I bet that was fun. There we go. That's all I get right here. Dang bad. That's what they are, man. If I mess them, I just say they were too small to get anyways. missed them. Yeah, you can't tell. Oh yeah, he's at Walmart. That little bitty crappie. Here's a good one. If it's a crappie, nope, still little. Woohoo! Wish they get bigger. A little better right there. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Woo, been a fun day so far. Not what we want. Later, Gator. Woohoo! Thought I caught one, huh? Did that time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. They're turning on now. You want them? There you go. I guess we'll take them home this time. Really?
Yeah, he was just barely right.
Be careful now. Oh yeah, man, it look good out here. Woohoo! Benny gonna eat good today.
Yeah, what I do is
Look at that.
I put them on ice and I'll clean them tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, you can just set it down.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Dave.
Well, we'll see you hopefully next week sometime.
All right.
Maybe we get something
I'll
going.
give you a call when it comes down.
Yeah, just whenever.
You don't live that far.
Nah, I'm just down the road. All right, man, take it easy. Got to see an old friend of mine. Used to work together. Good old guy. He's actually one of the guys that got me into crappie fishing. Took me on his boat a few years ago on go crappie fishing, and after that I was hooked. I've always crappie fished on the bank, but he really put me on. It's pretty nice.